So the process to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Binance is quite easy and simple. For the first part, you need to find out your BTC address on Binance app. So simply go and open up your Binance app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once here, simply go and tap on wallets at the right bottom corner and make sure that you are in the spot section. So once here tap on this deposit button at the bottom of PNL. And it says crypto. You can search for the coins, and for the trending coins, most of the part you can see BTC or Bitcoin at the top. So tap on BTC. So here it would give you an address. So that is BTC deposit address. Simply go and tap on this window icon to copy, and it says copy to clipboard. So simply go and close that. Now go and open up your Coinbase app. Here we go. And once the app is open, you need to go to your watch list, and here you can see the Bitcoin. So first you need to find out the amount of Bitcoin that you have, and once you do so, simply go and tap on transfer. It says send crypto. In some of the cases the pop-up might not appear, so what you need to do is go back, and in the home tap on this blue icon at the bottom. So that says it says send and receive. So you need to tap on send. It would open up the next thing. Now you can simply go and tap on this a BTC wallet thing, and you can select different currencies, but in my case I'll go with the BTC. And you can change the currency by tapping on this up and down arrow at the right top corner, so like this one. And once you enter the BTC, now you need to enter the amount. For example, I say 0.2. So here we go. Now you need to tap on continue. Not now, tap on not now. Here paste the address that you have copied, and once you do so, tap on preview send. It says please check again your internet connection. So that's an internet issue probably. So basically the thing is, simply go and tap on preview send, and if you do not have any internet issues, what it would do is simply go it would let you know that you are sending this amount of BTC to someone, and this is a transfer fees. And once you tap on confirm, your BTC will be transferred from your Coinbase to Binance account, and it would take up to maybe 20 minutes to an hour, or in some of the cases it might take more than that. So you need to wait for that, and by doing so you'll be able to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Binance. So hopefully it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.